are you?
Very good, good sir.
Good. Nice to meet you.
It's a lot of fun to come here. You know, Columbia is such an institution. Got all the students, and the fact that it's just a lot of fun, and the energy is really good in the room. People are really excited. That's fun.
I told you, exactly. Here's what happened.
Is this your station?
Yes. Yeah, he's the omni-man in the morning and the pasta in the afternoon. You got busy.
Yay! I love you on Chop.
Thank you very much.
Hey, how are you? What's your name?
What's your name? Aaron. E-R-I. You're one of my top 3 chefs ever.
Oh, you're in.
Yeah,
I did. That's awesome. J-M-E?
however you want to spell it, where by the board. There you go. Thank you, man. Good seeing you. God bless you.
First of all, you have to listen to the customers, which in this case is so much the students, right? And Columbia is a very diverse campus with different religions, different ethnic backgrounds. So when you serve situations in here, you really have to listen to the students and their needs. Some are vegan, some are allergic to peanuts, some are allergic to, some have celiac, some have religious different things. So I think it's about being porous and listen, you know? Where are you from?
You're on.
What's it called, like tomato sauce?
Bandari, you mean?
Bandari,
Yeah. Bandari.
Bandari,
Yeah.
I've never had it before.
I'm really a big fan of the Coen brothers.
Yeah,
actually.
that's good.
I really like them.
I think Pedro Almodovar does really good work with his selling his stories well.
Wow, it's really nice to meet you. Yeah, thank you so much. That's really cool.
Students are coming, work hard. Your parents paid a lot of money, so make sure you crush it and make them proud. You know, I know it's not the coolest answer, but it's honest, man. Work hard, and you get, you know, you're a student at Columbia, you can go out to the world and do really, really well. So, such an institution.
Thank you.